They sold you a lie. Go to school. Get good grades. Get a safe job. Save 10% of your income. Retire at 65 for your parents. This advice worked. For you, this advice is financial suicide. Welcome to the reality of the 2026 economy. We are witnessing the death of the middle class. The bridge between the rich and the poor has collapsed. You are now either climbing up to the 1% or you are sliding down into poverty. There is no middle ground anymore. In today's video, we are going to expose the 3 money traps that are designed to keep you poor and the exact strategy you need to escape the system before it's too late. Trap number 1, the salary illusion. Most people believe that a higher salary equals wealth. This is false. A salary is a drug they give you to forget your dreams. In 2025 and 2026, inflation is eating your money faster than your boss can give you a raise. If you are trading your time for money, you have a ceiling. The wealthy do not trade time, they trade value. They own equity. They own systems. You must stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like a producer. Trap number 2, the liability loop. The system is designed to make you a consumer, not an owner. Look at your bank statement. Are you buying assets that put money in your pocket or liabilities that take money out? The new iPhone, the car payments, the branded clothes, these are chains. They keep you stuck in the rat race. The middle class buys things to look rich. The wealthy buy assets to get rich. Until you break this loop, you will never be free. Trap number 3, the saver's curse. Cash is trash. You have heard it before, but do you understand it? If your money is sitting in a savings account, you are losing money every single day. The government is printing trillions of dollars, devaluing your hard-earned savings. To survive in 2026, you must become an investor, whether it is stocks, real estate, crypto, or your own business. Sure, money must be working harder than you do. So, what is the solution? How do you escape? You need to build what I call the fortress. This means creating a life where you are not dependent on a single paycheck. It means building multiple streams of income. It means learning the skills we talked about in our previous videos. It means sacrificing the comfort of today for the freedom of tomorrow. The middle class dream is over. It is time to wake up. You have a choice to make. Will you be a victim of the system, or will you be the master of your own destiny? If you are ready to break the chains, hit the like button. Subscribe to WealthWise Academy. We are building the new 1%.